Hi everybody, it is 7:29 and I just woke up not too long ago. Aaliyah's still sleeping. She won't be up maybe in another hour or so. So yeah, I am just gonna get some soup ready for her so when she wakes up she can just eat breakfast. And I don't know, you guys, we'll see what we call this video because I'm just gonna record things that I do and kind of like a day in the life, but I don't know if it's gonna be that long. So, yep, let's get the day started. I have the flash, sorry you guys, but if I don't have it on, uh, there would be no good lighting at all. So what I'm gonna have for breakfast are just cornflakes, just plain old cornflakes, and wait, I think these are the sugar ones. Yeah, I think these are the sugar ones. And then I'm gonna make some soup for Leah. I'll just show you guys how I make the soup, I guess. So I'm standing right in front of the window. So if you see like different lighting, yeah, right now I'm in front of the window, opening my curtains right in front of my face so you guys could see me. But yeah, right now it's 7:38 and it literally took me 7 minutes to cook that pasta, or not that pasta, but that tomato soup. And all I have to do is wait for it to boil and then for Leah to wake up so she could eat it. So yeah guys, that's a little something. And I think later on we'll be making some spaghetti. That's how pretty it looks outside. And today I think the highest is going to be 82 over here in Illinois. I feel like I keep on repeating that on my videos. But yeah, it's actually getting really nice. And then the gardener person is fixing our yard, so our little garden. So it looks like that. And then my house is a mess. Watch. You see that? That's all Leah. That's Tony. Those boxes, they're empty now, but they had struts inside for his car. And then that one's the alternator, I believe. No, alternator. Radiator. And then he has his, I think his brakes and his rotors. Yeah, there we go. Brakes and his rotors. And then I have Leah's diapers that I bought yesterday, and then some soups. But yeah, I have a mess, you guys, that I have to clean. And then I recorded here yesterday on my other channel. So that's why I have a mess there of lamps. And then I have that lamp there too because it was like 11 or 12 at night when I recorded. And we finally have a bed, you guys. Yay, we have a bed. It is 10:54 and I took a nap because Leah started kind of crying, and I laid down with her for a little bit, and there she is. She's awake now. We just actually woke up from the nap, and I'm gonna give her soup right now. and she's gonna watch some Wreck-It Ralph. Okay, so we are actually walking. I have to pick something up, and I am walking, and that's what my apartments look like. I'm sorry guys, it's really hot. Give me a second. So yeah, I bought these hair dyes. So that's what I'm picking up, and Aaliyah's right there. Say hi, Aaliyah. 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 Say hi. I bet you guys can't even see me, right? The sun is like hitting me. But I live in front of a school, so like all the kids are outside playing right now. Are you enjoying your walk, Aaliyah? That was
Buenas tardes. Ya se levantó tu tío
hot.
Padino, tu tío.
Aaliyah, are you gonna go to McDonald's? You going to McDonald's?
Dile sí.
Yes, Mama, you gonna go to McDonald's? Lunchtime.
Mira, mira. Estoy contenta.
So we just got out of the restaurant, and we are gonna go get some season passes for Six Flags. And my phone's dying as well, so if it dies and I don't record, please excuse me. Hey! Say hey! We're still at Grandma's house, right? And it's like 5, and then Leah's gonna stay here, and then I'm gonna hit the gym. So we just cleaned that thing over there. It was super duper dirty, and my sister-in-law and I and Tony cleaned it. It is so hot. Very hot. So it is really dark in here, and I'm sorry, but it is like around 10 at night, and I just got out of the gym, and we're gonna go and get Chipotle. Hopefully still open, because you know Chipotle is like the bomb. And I'm gonna go pick up Aaliyah afterwards, and then we're gonna go ahead and head home. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I will be posting all my social media in the beginning, like always, and don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't, if you like this video. And yeah, that should be all, you guys. I love you guys, and comment down below if you guys have any what is it called, video requests or any comments. Just, you know, go ahead and down there email me with anything. See you guys.